everyone, welcome to Hautemamas. Today we got tagged, well, we got tagged a while ago, but we're just catching up with our things by Karen Renee Beauty. She is a beauty YouTuber.
Fellow beauty YouTuber.
Yeah, a colleague and a friend, and we'll link her below.
Yep.
She's gorgeous, very thorough.
Yeah, and super helpful. She does tutorials,
Yeah.
skincares, hauls. She does a battle of the foundations, which I particularly like because I'm a foundation junkie.
And her foundation, actually, she's got a lot of really good foundation
she's got, like,
videos.
affordable foundations,
Yeah.
higher end foundations.
She uses La Prairie, like, so basically I will link her channel below. Particularly have a look at her foundation series. I really thought it was really well done.
She's got some good eye tutorials too.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
and it's geared towards the mature community.
Yep.
And
her tag was, what are the 5 favorite box products that you've received over the years, right?
well,
And-
yeah.
or-
I mean, I haven't been getting mine very long, and I really only get FAVE and Boxycharm.
Me too now, but I used to get Glossy Box and Julep as well.
Yeah. So my favorite things are specifically from Boxycharm.
I'm just looking. I think one of mine might be from FabFitFun.
Anyway, here we go.
You first.
So
Actually, we have one that's the same, right?
yes, Boxycharm
Vintage
highlighter palette.
Oh,
So-
you guys, it's so pretty.
And in fact,
I'll swatch.
I'll
swatch
I'm
and
gonna
I'm
put this rose color.
See,
on.
there's 2 different tones there. There's a rosy kind, and then there's a sort of beigey toned one.
So I'll put this on.
Both gorgeous. And I'm going to put one on too. I'll put, I'm going to put the beigey one on.
It's subtle, and it's well, it's not. No, I'm sorry. It's really not subtle, but it's really pretty. It doesn't emphasize texture and all of that stuff. I really like it.
Me
I
too.
reach for it a lot. Oops, maybe that's too much.
There's never too much highlight, according to Lisa. That's never.
Well,
I've never heard that
the jury's
before.
out on the. Yeah, no, maybe that was too much. The jury's out on the tip of the nose highlight.
I don't do tip of the nose because my nose is quite sharp, and so I figure if I highlight it, it's just going to make it look sharper. That's my theory.
So there's the It's super pretty, Anyway, so that's one of my favorite things I've gotten from Boxycharm.
Me too.
But now I need to tone down my nose. I just did it.
That's why I don't do it. It makes my nose look too sharp.
Anyway, so yeah,
Okay.
love.
Okay, so
We each have a bronzer too.
yeah, actually,
Mine is this pure bronzer.
mine is the Cargo Swimmables bronzer because it's bronzer that's water resistant, which I love, being that we live in Vancouver and it can be rainy here and all that.
So the pure has a bit of a sheen, but it's not like overly shimmery.
Yeah.
I'm wearing it today. I can put a little more on if you want.
And speaking of bronzers that aren't bronzers, this is one of my favorites. It's Cargo HD. I open it up, and every single time
She did it
I
today.
look and I go, hey, it's a bronzer. But it's actually not. It's a bronzing highlighter.
Yeah.
And so I smear it everywhere, like get it all over the place. And then I find out that it's actually not a bronzer. And then now my forehead was highlighted in a really, like, see, it's not a bronzer. See?
It's totally
And it's
highlighted.
actually, like, really a highlighter. Like you
Like
can
a
put it on
really-
your, like, collarbones, like, everywhere. Like, look, see? Okay, so imagine this in the middle of my forehead was basically what happened there. See, collarbones. I love this highlighter. I just need to remember.
But as a bronzer?
As a bronzer, it makes a really good highlighter. Yeah. But I'm just that, and it perpetually I do
I did
it.
that one time.
I do it many times, all the time.
Still not a bronzer.
Still not a bronzer.
Still a highlighter.
I don't know why, but these 2 things are
Confused.
confused. I'm confused about them.
Another Boxycharm item that I absolutely love is this Cover FX setting spray.
I haven't even used mine yet.
Really?
No.
Oh,
You know
it's
what?
so nice.
Honestly.
Oh,
Oh, let's put some on now.
Yes, that's what we're gonna do. But
Okay.
but you have to shake the crap out of this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just remember to do that.
I won't. If I can't figure out bronzer versus highlighter.
The mister is very...
Oh, is this the one with the splatty mister?
Nope.
Oh,
it's
okay.
very fine.
It's very good.
Woo!
Okay. Woo!
Yeah, it's really nice. And it does, it's very glowy.
Uh-oh. Oh, well. Probably why I don't use it.
I mean, on camera, it's also drying. It's not, you know, but in the daylight, it's really, really pretty. Love. Love, 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 love.
One of the things I liked was this set of a quad eye travel set. And the reason that I loved it was because, number one, I 100% love to travel. Number two, it has everything that I want in it. And number three, they're little. So they fit in a makeup bag, a standard makeup bag, instead of like bringing brushes that are like that long. So I really like this.
And toiletries bag is insanely obnoxious.
I've seen it.
It's bad.
It's not pretty.
The other one that I like is this.
Oh, actually, I do too. I like that one.
Well, you can only have 5.
Oh, okay. Then I don't like it. Even though I used it today. I took that traveling. I took that to Hawaii with me.
Winky Lux Universal Brow. And it's really, it's nice. Mm-hmm. It's a great brow product.
Yeah. Really, and I took that to Hawaii.
One of my favorite things.
Yeah.
And it's got a spoolie on the end.
Yeah.
And yeah. Highly recommend that one.
Yeah. My new favorite, which I actually may repurchase, except that I've got like a bathroom full of moisturizer. But I really like what happens when I use this Talika Photo Hydra Face Specific Moisturizer.
So that would be a FabFitFun.
I think this is a FabFitFun one.
Yeah.
And it is... Why do I like it? I like this... I like the scent of it, but it leaves your face feeling like...
It's also empty.
Yeah. It doesn't... you're not shiny, and it kind of... I wouldn't call it mattifying, but it leaves your face feeling really firm. And I really like it about that. And I'm sad because it's gone.
And now you need more.
Yeah. And so it says, much more than a moisturizer, Photo Hydra Day is the first cream-inspired photo beauty therapy to use energy from the light to intensely moisturize the skin. I don't know if I believe that part, because in Vancouver we don't get light.
Well...
Not really. But anyway,
it's like Seattle for everybody who lives in the States.
Yeah.
Vancouver is like Seattle.
Yeah.
It's a Seattle equivalent.
Yeah.
My last and final item that I just adore is this Winky Lux.
The kitten palette.
The kitten palette.
We have actually a show on it. I'll link it up there. Yeah, that's a good palette.
So nice.
Yeah.
It's got
a transition color.
Transition color.
And it's got a brow color.
Brow and base color.
Yeah.
It's got outer V colors. It's got lid colors. And the colors are just, they're pigmented and lovely. And look at that. Like,
yeah, it is. It's a great palette. And for travel, it's a good size.
Yeah.
Like, it's
just
it's got
really,
a lot
really
of colors in it. I agree.
Every time I've used it, I've really liked what's turned out. So I like it. One of my favorites from the boxes.
So that's all our 5, right?
That's all our 5.
Okay,
and
thanks.
Thank you to Karen.
Yeah, thanks, Karen, for tagging us in this fun video idea. And we'll link her channel below. Thanks for joining us on Hautemamas. We're available everywhere. Check the little boxes there. We've got Instagram and Facebook page and stuff like that. And feel free to subscribe to the channel by pushing the button above Lisa's head. We'd love to see you here. Thanks. Bye.